Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a pleated incline ice dye. For this project, you want to center your shirt using the sleeve inside the other sleeve technique. Line up the seams inside the sleeve and along the shoulder. Now I want to figure out where the center of the shirt is, so I fold the bottom of the shirt up to the top of the shirt and I make a little mark with a washable marker. Fold the sleeve in and then bring the bottom of the shirt up to the collar. Using a straight edge and a washable marker, draw on a diagonal line. Now you want to pleat fold along this line, and I was trying to make really tiny pleats and it kept buckling on me, so I just gave up on that, and now I'm making pleats that are probably about an inch tall. Now you want to secure it using kite string, and if you don't have kite string, that's okay. You can also just use rubber bands. This is an incline ice dye, and so what I do is I take a paper clip and I unbend it and I hook it over the top of the gutter, and that keeps the project from sliding down and it soaking in the muck while it's batching. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. And these colors are brand new to me, so I haven't had a chance to make swatches yet. So sorry about that. I know you guys like to see them on the table, but those will be coming soon. We all still have masks laying around, so grab a mask and put it on, and then give your project a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure. Aren't those colors so pretty? So I'm going to take my dye towel and I'm going to place it down here at the end. When I set the gutter on an incline, the ice is going to want to roll downhill. I just find that having the dye towel there is like a stopper and it keeps the ice in place. And then after the ice is melted, I take it out and I set it off to the side inside of the tote. I forgot to hit record, so sorry guys. For information on how I do my rinse out, just go ahead and go and watch another tutorial. Well, here it is guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. And I like this shirt a lot. These colors, in a way, were picked for me because they're brand new to me from Dharma. So I thought I would just give them a go. And I like this color combination. The royal blue is a really pretty blue. It's a nice deep blue. And then I love the mermaid's dream. That's what's giving all the green color. The baby blue is there. It's sort of being overpowered by the other two colors, but I think it gives a nice light glowing effect in there. And I like the incline. And by folding in the sleeves, the shirt sort of has like a diamond pattern. So I really like it. What do you guys think? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave a thumbs up and click the bell and set it to all for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.